Hi there! My name is John Clarence Masaga. You can also call me by my nickname, which is Brents. I was born in this lovely world on November 23, 2001. I'm the youngest of my 3 siblings in this picture. I eat all kinds of foods like pizza, burgers, chocolates, vegetables, and different kinds of fruits. That's why I'm a person with full of energy. My personality is that I am cheerful, friendly, trustworthy, helpful, and an easily approachable person. I am a very adventurous person, and I like to do fresh things. My weaknesses. I'm a little lazy and I procrastinate in some places which I don't like. I spend a lot of my time doing random things that are not a healthy habit for me, but I do my best to conquer this challenge. My strengths is in compared to studies, I do not study often, but I'm good in physical activities, but I can do most of sports. My greatest strengths are creativity, determination, enthusiasm, and respectfulness, and that's the strengths that I'm really proud for myself. My hobbies and interests. My hobbies are such as artistic activities because that I can express my thoughts and feelings into creative drawings and arts. Outdoor activities. Since I like playing with my friends such as basketball and other fun things like running and biking. My interests are playing video games and music. In playing video games, I mostly prefer playing on PC, and there are a lot of games that I love are playable in PC. In terms of music, I love every genre of music, but I like the most of music that have a meaningful lyrics. Also, I have a pet Shih Tzu dog named Chico. He's a puppy right now and he loves belly rubs and playing tag. And I love playing him always, all the time. I am a very family-oriented person. I love my family very much. They are always beside me to give me a full support on the things that I want to do. They are my strength and inspiration to push myself forward in life. I also have a lot of friends who are like my second family. We always help each other when in need. I am a friendly person, as they say, and I treasure my friends very much. I'm a more of a shy type person, but I try my best to go out and do the best of my life. All the things that express me are this. This is me and I'm happy for it. Thank you for watching.